Deep in the decaying corridors of Hollow Hill Hospital, one object remains untouched by time. A battered, dust-choked typewriter resting in the abandoned records room. Staff whisper about the Phantom Typewriter, claiming it types on its own, always at the stroke of midnight. No one knows who first discovered the typed notes, but by morning, a single sheet would appear in the tray, each line revealing a secret the hospital desperately tried to bury. One chilling night, a brave nurse stayed late, hiding behind a cracked partition to witness the phenomenon. At exactly 12, the keys began to clack, pressed by invisible hands. Words formed, "You cannot silence the voices of the forgotten." The nurse watched in horror as the typewriter detailed the fate of a missing patient, one who vanished without a trace decades before. Terrified, she fled, but the note remained, a stark confession inked in black. Since then, hospital staff have found fresh typed warnings, names of patients who never left, dark secrets of malpractice, and desperate pleas for help. The Phantom Typewriter seems determined to expose every shadowy truth, one haunting keystroke at a time.